My name is Bill Turgeon, and I'm the Chief Information Officer here at Colonial Mills. Colonial Mills is one of the older manufacturers of braided rugs and accessories. We've been in business for over 30 years, manufacturing out of our plant here in Pawtucket, Rhode Island.
We have about 100,000 SKUs. Every one is specifically made for that customer.
We have many different possibilities of the ways we can mix the different yarns you see behind me together to come up with different patterns. So there are literally millions of opportunities for styles. We're a make-to-order manufacturer. Many of our customers are the larger retailers in the world. So approximately 90% of our orders come in each month via EDI. And that's 90% of anywhere between 4,000 to 6,000 orders a month.
Prior to us to use Infor SyteLine, we were around 30 days in our shipping time. Our returns was upwards of 5%.
We had in our previous system many different islands of information, a lot of redundant data, and we just weren't able to pull out the data that we needed. And in addition, we really couldn't improve on some key figures that we use to measure our own performance. We chose Infor SyteLine because it had the best functionality, hands down. There was no contest. Its integration with Microsoft Office was key. It allows us to export things to Excel so that we can further massage it, sort it, subtotal, etc.
Since we implemented Infor SyteLine, we done away with our finished goods inventory. Prior to that, we were carrying inventory to help our delivery. But now that we can move product throughout the manufacturing system so quickly, everything that we have now is specific made to order.
We had a need to really streamline the scanning process of the data collection that feeds the Infor SyteLine system. We came up with an in-house solution that populates the standard Infor SyteLine tables, which really shows how flexible the system is. Customization with SyteLine is very easy if you want to add new fields that aren't even in the product. Say you have some oddball thing that no other business has. The Infor SyteLine product allows you to create your own fields, and it will not be affected by upgrades as you move forward. It'll still be there until you decide you don't want it anymore and you get rid of it.
Prior to using the Infor SyteLine system, we were over 5% in returns. Now that everything is through EDI and through the SyteLine system, our returns are below 1%.
With Infor SyteLine, it comes in, it grabs it, verifies the data, the pricing, etc., pulls it right in and creates an order without anyone even touching it, which saves us a lot of people in our customer service department. After we implemented Infor SyteLine, we found that, number one, everything was tightly integrated, including its ability to send things down to UPS World Ship and FedEx Cafe. We are now constantly over 90% on-time delivery, whereas before we were lucky if we hit 85. With the economy being in a downturn currently, it really emphasizes the need to offer something that your competitors cannot, and that's where SyteLine helps us with the advanced planning and scheduling. We're able, again, to produce these rugs and get them out the door in less than 5 days, blowing away our competitors' quotes of 15 days of it.